how to configure prohibited meal types. In this session, we'll explore how to customize prohibited meal options for your center. Start by navigating to the Setup module on the left-hand side and selecting the center you're currently setting up. Next, go to the Custom section and click on Meals. Here, you can add a new prohibited meal type by selecting New and entering the necessary information. To remove any entries, simply click the X button. For further clarification, use the question mark icon. It provides more details on what constitutes a prohibited meal. Essentially, as part of a child's profile set up during the online registration process, parents can specify which meal types from your menu their child should not be given, allowing you to offer an alternative when applicable. This feature is distinct from allergy management, as it focuses on entire meal types rather than specific ingredients. For example, if you offer a vegetarian option for children who cannot eat pork, pork should be included as a prohibited meal type. This helps you determine how many vegetarian dishes versus pork dishes are needed on a given day. All this information will be available in the dashboard under the Meals section. It helps with menu planning, grocery shopping, and ensures students receive the correct meal types from your kitchen staff.